So hello and welcome to our third tutorial for SQL, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe now. So we are going to start with mathematical functions. First is mod. Mod returns the remainder. So how are we going to use it? Select mod and then you have to give the number which you have to divide. Suppose I want to divide 45 by 8. So here he gave 5 as the remainder. So this is the use of mod function. Next comes power function. Power function returns b to power p. For example, select power 5 and 2. So it will give the second power of 5, that is 25. So this is the use of select power. Let's see the second example of power. Select power 11 and 3. So it will give the third power of 11, that is 1331. Next comes our round function. Round function returns number rounded to a place after decimal. For example, select round and then you have to give any number. Suppose 1572.3576 and we have to show 3 decimal places. Then it shows 3 decimal places, but there were 4, and it will round it off also, as 7 is greater than 5 or equal to 5. So it will round it off and 60 place will be turned to 70. So here comes 357. Next comes sine function. Sine function returns -1 for negative number and 1 for positive number. For example, select sine -10. So it returned -1. So it shows that the number is negative or positive. And the second example for sine function, 450. So it showed 1 because 450 is a positive number. So this is the use of sine function. Next comes our Sqrt function. It returns square root of a number. For example, select Sqrt suppose 49. So it shows 7. Select Sqrt 121. So it shows 11. So Sqrt function shows the square root of any number. Let me show the square root of a non-square number. For suppose 1, 2, 3. So it shows the number in decimal points. Next comes our truncate function. Truncate function returns number up to n place after decimal without rounding it. For example, it is similar like the round function, but it does not round off the number. For example, truncate 1257.1763, and we want to see after 3 decimal places. Then it will show till 176, not 3, as we have given 3. For example, select truncate 1853.7645390, and we want to see till 5 decimal places. So it will show 7.6453, not 9 and 0, because we have given 5. So now we will carry forward with our date and time functions. First date and time function is curDate. For example, select curDate 2021, 2 and 16. So it will show the current date on which you have given this command. It will show you the date. For example, on the day I am shooting this is 16th Feb 2021. So it is showing me the date. Second is select curTime. You would have understood that it will show the current time. For example, 6, 8 and 12. So this will show us the current time. So our next function is month function. This function extracts the month for date in the range 1 to 12. So we have to use it like select month. So it extracts the month from the date. So we have to give it a date to extract month. So we have to write it like select month bracket curDate. We have to give date, so we will use curDate. Then brackets for curDate, then bracket for month. So here both curDate's bracket and month's bracket are completed. Next we will give a semicolon and done. So it is currently February, so it is showing the second month. Next comes year function. This function returns the year for date in the range 1000 to 9999. For example, select year, then we have to use curDate. So we will give it a month to extract. curDate, then brackets for curDate and then bracket for year. Semicolon, done. So here it shows 2021. So the current year is 2021, so it is showing 2021. Last but not the least function comes now. This function returns the curDate and time in the format hour, minutes and seconds. So this function is the combination of curDate and curTime. This function returns the date along with the time. For example, select now. So it gives 16th February 2021, the date and the time as well. So that's all for today, and we have completed our date and time functions as well.
Thanks for watching our SQL tutorial part 3, and if you liked the video, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and have a nice day.